main idea behind the vending machine is to dispense ready meals that are nutritious and healthy for the older generation. It's also used to save them the time and hassle of having to go out to the supermarket and buy all the separate ingredients. The main benefits for the consumer will be to distress them away from this busy environment of the supermarket, and I think it will be a great convenience as for the older generation in particular, because they'll have the ready meals right at their doorsteps, which is a great advantage.